Bauk is imagined as a scarecrow in animal form, which with its appearance instills fear in small children and adults. During the day, the Bauk hides in the corners of abandoned houses, holes, and dark places, and from there he stalks his victim to kidnap, carry away, strangle, and devour. A children's folk lullaby, the mother sings to the child, "The water has taken away your sleepless, where there are no wolves or bauks." Bauk is chased by noise, shouting, and light, and so are bears. Bauk's onomatopoeic expression "bau", his clumsy gaint "bauljanje", which gave rise to the name Bauk. His place of residence, gluttony, and other characteristics indicate that the name Bauk was a bear and not a wolf, as some writers thought. The real Serbian word for bear disappeared under the influence of the taboo and fear that this animal caused in the people. That's why they call it medved or medojed, honey eater, or bauk, to lose its power and the fear it caused. The bear is a rare animal in our mountain regions, but due to the older, possibly ancient fear of bears, the custom and celebration of Bear Day or Mečkinog dana has been maintained. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.